All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export multiple photos in Lightroom Classic. So this happens to be a family that I've shot for 3 years in a row now, and I upload all the photos into all photographs in my catalog, and then I have categorized them by year. So when you're in the little Smart Collection, you can just do a quick Command A to select all photos. It'll tell you 231 selected, and you can do File, Export from there. If you only want to do just a couple, you can click on the one and then Command click on more that you want to export. And again, it's counting right there how many I'm going to export, and then File, Export tells me 9 are selected. So just a quick tutorial on how to export multiple photos in Lightroom. Hope this was helpful. Give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.